Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and the other day I did an unboxing. I got some goodies from my friend Monica over at Sparkle by Monica, and today we're going to take some of those goodies and we are going to make a pair of earrings. So one of the things I got from Monica were these little angel wings. I'm going to use these. And then I got these really cool beads from her. Look like little saucers. And then I've got these pink glass beads. They look like rose quartz, but I think they're glass. And then I'm using these bead caps. And I've got 2 pieces of 3-inch 20 gauge wire, and then I'm going to need, I have to dig up some ear wires because we're making earrings. We need wire cutters, we need some round nose pliers, and we need, I'm using some flat nose pliers here. Let me scooch this over. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some head pins, and I've done this quite often. I take my round nose pliers, and at the very end, not the tippy tip end, but a little bit further down there, I'm going to start rolling a loop. I'm going to roll it a couple times around till I meet that. And then I'm going to just bring it up. So we kind of have something that looks like this, little golf club. And then that hole, we're going to take the end and poke it through the hole. And just grab that, pull it through, and you have a little knot. And then I'm going to take the saucer bead. Put it through there. And then I want this knot to kind of be flat like that. It kind of acts almost as a bead cap. Okay. And I'm mixing my metals. We have wings that are the rose gold. Make sure I put them on there correctly. And then I'm using that bead for the head. And then the bead cap is her little hat or halo. And there we have our little angel. And so then I'm going to take my round nose pliers. And I'm going to wrap a pretty large wrap at the end underneath here. So I'm leaving a little room. And I'm just going to wrap a messy wrap. Once I get to the end, you can clip it off if you don't want a big wrap like that. I like my wraps big. And then I just tuck that in. All right, there's our little angel. Okay, I'm going to make this other one, and then I'm going to see if I can dig up some ear wires, and I'll be right back. All right, I found these ear wires. They're pretty simple ear wires. Basically, what you're going to do is just open them up. Put your little angel charm on there. Do this one. And we've got our little angel earrings. Aren't they cute? Almost looks like they have a little Santa skirt on. A little fuzzy trimming. And there we go. That's how you make angel earrings. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.